Dear students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means to take away a number or a thing. We use minus sign to represent subtraction. Now let us take one example. Children, I have 8 apples with me, out of which 3 apples are eaten by me. Find how many apples are left with me. What we will do, we will subtract 3 from 8. After subtracting these two numbers, we will get 5. As you can see in the picture also that there are 5 apples left with me, right? Now let us take one more example to understand the terms used in subtraction. So we have 876 minus 534. Here 876 is known as minuend and 534 is known as subtrahend. We are going to solve this sum. So at ones place we have 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. At tens place we have 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. And at hundreds place we have 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. And this number, that is 342, is known as difference. So my dear children, what is minuend? The larger number from which the smaller number is subtracted is known as minuend. What is subtrahend? The number which is subtracted. It is known as subtrahend. And what is difference? The resulting number obtained after subtraction is known as difference. Now come to the properties of subtraction. The first property of subtraction says that a number minus 0 is equal to the same number. For example, we have 23,678 minus 0, which is equal to 23,678. That is the same number. Second property says that a number minus 1 is equal to its predecessor. For example, we have 4,56,780 minus 1, which is equal to 4,56,779. That is the predecessor of 4,56,780. Now, the third property says that a number minus the number itself is equal to 0. For example, we have a number that is 98,172. When we subtract with the same number, that is 98,172, it will give 0. The fourth property says that we cannot interchange the order of minuend and the subtrahend. For example, we have 67,418 as minuend and 34,206 as subtrahend, and our difference is 33,212. When we change the places of subtrahend and minuend, we will not get the result. So it is not possible. That's all in this video. Thank you.